Hello everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm in Berlin again at the IFA show to see what new products Aiper have got launching. Let's go check it out. As always, Aiper have put on a great show. They've got the Aiper bar to get food and drink. There's games to play where you can win prizes. There's a live band playing throughout the day, and of course a big pool to show off their new products. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro and the little brother Aiper Scuba X1. I'm going to be speaking to Andreas. He's going to show me around the booth and go into much more detail about the two new robots. So I'm here with Andreas. He's going to show us around the booth, but first of all he's going to be talking to us about the Scuba X1 Pro.
Thank you, Miles. So we are launching today our newest product, a flagship robotic pool cleaner, the Scuba X1 Pro. With this robot we are bringing 2 or 3 years of development and technology into the pool cleaning market. The first thing that you will notice here is that we added a lot of extra modes to the cleaning set. So what you can do now is choose things like the power of the robot, of the cleaning and the vacuuming. Of course, you can still choose the automatic modes, the floor only, wall only, and we have a special mode for waterline cleaning only. So you know from some of our other robots, the waterline cleaning is something that we specialize on, and we try to do much better.
Yeah.
With this robot, what we did was create a whole set of software and hardware integration to make waterline cleaning the best in the industry by far, right? We will show you later in the demo, but basically what it happens is that the robot is doing a brush-like movement that resembles what you will do by cleaning a waterline by hand, right?
Yeah.
So that's on, let's say that's on cleaning modes. We also have a lot of sensors in this robot. So it works with ultrasonic sensors and sensors that are called time of flight, TOF sensors. And what it does is that the robot is able to map the whole pool to the centimeter. So with this we are able to clean very complex pools at rates of over 90% of area coverage, which is something that no other robot can do right now in the market.
The X1 Pro is equipped with technology called FlexiPath. This allows the robot to determine the best cleaning path, so no matter what shape your pool is, you're always going to get a thorough clean. And even when there's platforms in the pool, it's able to detect the edge so it doesn't fall down to the bottom of the pool. The robot is also equipped with OmniSense Plus. This allows the robot to have 360-degree sensing for effective mapping and obstacle avoidance. What's the basket size on this one? Can we have a look?
Yeah, sure. So the basket size is about 5.7 liters.
They're getting bigger.
They do. So what we're doing is trying to add also better material for the cleaning for the baskets.
Yeah.
So these baskets now they come with a different material that help them to do ultra fine filtration. Now this robot does 180 minutes of cleaning time. It has almost a vacuum power of 500 liters per minute, which is one of the best in the market. I would say all in all, the combination of the mapping of the pool, the area coverage, the waterline cleaning, and of course the suction power of the product is the best, if not one of the best robots that you can get in the market to really clean the pool.
So that was the Scuba X1 Pro, a beast of a robot. We're just going to quickly talk about the X1, and then we're going to go quickly show some of the other robots like the Surfer, the S1, and the Scuba S1 Pro. Let's go take a look. So the Scuba X1, would you say this is like the little brother to the Scuba X1 Pro?
Exactly. I would say the little brother or the dumber brother, basically. So what we did here was to create a version that was a little bit more simplistic, easier to use in a way that you don't need to, if you don't want to choose a lot of the different modes, but basically let the robot more automatic, like do all of the cleaning. I suppose it depends what style of pool you got. Exactly, yeah. So the more complex your pool is, so the more sensors you're gonna need. Now, if you have a rectangular pool, a square pool, or basically a rounded pool, this robot will do an excellent job. When it comes to performance, the actual cleaning performance, both robots have the same platform. So the cleaning, the engines, the waterline cleaning is the same platform. Now, on the X1 Pro you get cleaning up to a centimeter almost. With this robot, if you have let's say a square pool and a rectangular pool, you get a very nice cleaning as well. But of course, at a lower price point, so that you don't have to spend much more in things that may not be needed for all pools. Yeah.
Is there an app for
there is an app
X1 and the
exactly
X1 Pro?
For the X1 Pro? Both of them they have app connectivity.
Right.
The app connectivity works, let's say, with a router. They're like a floating router that we put in the pool.
Okay.
And then what we do is we connect. You can connect the robot to your phone via that router. We call it a communication buoy. And the communication buoy transfers that data into radio frequencies to connect with the robot, and then you connect with the app
cool.
to the.
I mean, because some people like the app, and some people don't. They like it just simple, just turn it on and let it do its thing.
Exactly. In general, the robot has again, it's a 4-motor robot, like we do it with all of our premium robots. They are all 4 motors, double brushes. As I say, the 5-liter basket, and the special basket that does this ultra fine filtration.
Nice. So it's the Scuba X1 and the Scuba X1 Pro. So we move on to something a little bit more simple, the Scuba S1. I actually really like the Scuba S1.
So here we have what we call our battle horse, right? It's been the best-selling item all over the world. I think on a model basis, it's the best-selling product in robotic pool cleaners in general. And the thing is that it's a product that works very well in most kind of pools. I would say 90% of people could get just a robot like this and then get the job done.
Do you think they're quite popular with above ground pools?
They are somehow if they're framed above ground pools, right? They are also using this kind of pools, and they are a very good price performance point for this kind of pools. Now the difference that you see with all of our robots is with the S1, we develop an engine that works on almost horizontal way. So there is a special angle to the jets of the robot, and this helps with the water-line cleaning. So basically, to be a robot of this size at this price point, and then again you get waterline cleaning is not something that you see in all brands, and that's what this robot does the best.
No, it's really good. I like it. Scuba S1 Pro. It's really light as well. Really simple to use. It's got 4 modes.
4 modes, exactly. So you get to do automatic mode, which is all the floor, walls and waterline. You have a second mode which is only floor, a third mode which is only walls and waterline, and then a 4th mode that I call it the Airbnb mode or the Eco mode, right? So you basically put the robot in the water, and it does a cleaning of 45 minutes every 48 hours.
2 days,
yeah, exactly, every second day.
Like it. So you can put it on during the week, come to the weekend, you've got a nice clean pool. So that's the Scuba S1. We're going to take a quick look at the Scuba S1 Pro. See how it cleans up. Get a big handful of grit. Get it in there. Picks up everything. So here we are then, the Scuba S1 Pro. You've just seen the suction power that this robot's got. Let's see what Andreas has got to say about it. So the Scuba S1 Pro.
Okay, so the Scuba S1 Pro is the bigger brother nowadays of the Scuba S1. In here you have almost double the everything that the S1 has, so it's double brushes front and back, double the vacuum power, so we get almost 500 liters per minute on this robot, 4 engines, and double filtration. So you get the massive basket as well.
5 liters, right?
5 liters basket, and then you get a second filter that is a cartridge.
The cartridge.
We don't have it here, but you get a HEPA filter like a performance for particles and sound, right? With this robot you can also choose again automatic mode, floor only, walls and water line, and then you get the same eco mode, the the Airbnb mode, right? Now there is another thing with this robot, which is with the communication buoy. You get a remote control, and then you can control the robot in the water. You can also, but more importantly, you can do a water recall. Yeah, if you press this button here, the robot will come to the water line. Exactly, and then you can just pick it up from there when you are finished with the cleaning.
Like it, nice. This one, it actually looks like something out of Robot Wars. Moving on then, keeping the water line clean and the water surface free of leaves and any other floating debris. It's the Aiper Surfer S1.
Our Surfer S1 is a robot that is solar powered, so 85% of the surface of the robot is a solar panel. So that helps us the robot to work for 10 hours on a single go, on a sunny day, of course. And the robot also comes with sensors, right? So the skimmer cleans the surface, it's cleaning the surface of the pool all the time, and the sensors are actually looking for debris on the top of the pool. Of course, the more debris that you get at the surface of the pool, the less you have to clean the bottom. The basket is also massive, it's almost the same size as the robot, so you get propellers bringing every single debris,
leaves in there,
insects, so anything that stays on the top of the pool, it will be able to get it out. Then this robot is because it works on the surface of the pool only. You can connect it to an application also via Wi-Fi, and it actually have a remote control mode, so you can actually drive the robot around the pool to.
The sensors are going to help, obviously, so it don't keep banging into the walls.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's good. Nice. The Aiper Surfer S1. So that is it, guys. The Scuba X1 Pro and the Scuba X1. A couple of very cool robots to keep your pool nice and clean. Keep an eye out for the release on these two robots next year, and also check the description for more information about the Aiper products. Holler your boy for the pool work.